Welcome. Today we'll explore how to fix a water-damaged laptop, a common problem that can occur in any environment. If your laptop has been exposed to water, the first thing to do is to turn it off immediately and unplug it. Do not attempt to turn it back on. Carefully disassemble your laptop, using the appropriate tools to avoid damage. Make sure to keep screws and components organized. Place internal parts on a clean, dry cloth and let them air dry completely before proceeding. Inspect the motherboard for any signs of corrosion or residue. If found, they must be addressed properly. Once everything has dried, test the battery and power supply for any faults before reassembly. Reassemble your laptop carefully, ensuring all connections are secure and components are in their correct position. After reassembly, power on the laptop and check that everything is functioning correctly. To prevent future damage, consider using protective cases and keep drinks away from your work area. In conclusion, while many water damage situations can be managed at home, don't hesitate to seek professional help for serious issues.